Hey everyone, back for another video, and I thought I'd show you guys the end result of my fashion corner doll that I was working on. If y'all had seen the previous videos of me restoring her and going through the process, as well as boil washing the hair that I used for her, which is Kanekalon braiding hair from the Beauty Supply Store from the brand Expression. So yeah, and what I did was use 3 different hair colors. I used 2 different platinum kinds, and then I used the darker, which is bleach blonde, and I did that all around her perimeter of her hair. Yeah, I'm not sure if you can see, but there's all the different highlights in her hair. And I put this fashionista dress on her with these pastel blue powdery shoes from the Dollar Tree, the little pumps. That come in some of the spare fashion packs that you can get. And that's how long it is. And I even added a little flip to the bottom of it. Or a little curvature to the bottom of her hair. And it's all nice and layered because I trimmed it up. So yeah, and it moves very nicely, as you can see. So anyhow, that is the video of the restoration of her. And here is my original one that I rerouted a long time ago, and I actually curled her hair. So yeah, and it's really bouncy. I thought about curling this one's hair, but I don't know. We'll see how I like it. And as far as thickness goes, she actually has a bunch of hair now. So that's the thickness of her hair now. And then you can see on the inside I added a lot more plugs, a lot more holes. And because there was a huge bald spot on the middle of her scalp, but I went and I added a whole bunch of new ones as far as filling in all the other ones. But yeah, sorry for all the pauses. My oldest niece is outside screaming because she's mad because she's been throwing tantrums all day. So yeah, that's what that's all about. But anyhow, that is the finished doll. That's what she looks like now. She has a lot more hair than she originally had, and her hair is much better quality, as you can see. These dolls originally came with polypropylene hair, so yeah, anyhow, that's the video and the restoration. So anyhow, thank you guys for watching. More videos to come, and remember to stay true to you.